Hello everyone, welcome back to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Sorry I can't do a collection today, but I will resume with one tomorrow. I'm still working on getting stuff out for the collection, so please bear with me. We got 3 new dogs, and they're lovable dogs, and like I said, we got 3 new dogs, and we got them yesterday, so I want to tell you a little bit about them. There's 1 male, 2 females. Then plus, we got 2 more besides them. So, and my sister's got a dog. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs, counting the new ones. Like I said, today I've been busy getting stuff out for the collections, so please bear with me. I've got all kinds of wonderful LP vinyl records, cassettes, CDs, DVDs. I got all kinds of wonderful items. All kinds of wonderful items. And I'm going through them little at a time till I get each item out and ready for the collections. So, it's going to take a while getting each item out, getting it ready, getting it all prepared for the videos. I've got all kinds of great items. All kinds of great items. Everything from an LP vinyl record to a cassette to a CD to a DVD. I've got it. My collections is getting fuller and fuller, and that's what I want. So, like I said, I've been working hard on getting items out, getting it ready, getting it parted out, pieced out. So it's going to take some time, but I'll get it done. I'll get it done. It's the only way to do it. The only way. I have to get the items out, get it ready, get it parted out, get it pieced out, and get them ready for you to see here on YouTube. Like I said, it's going to take a while, but I'll get it done. I'll get it done. And like I said, it's a lot of hard work. A lot of hard work. But I'll get it done. I'll get it done. So please bear with me. And most of all, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope your Wednesday's going well. And, top it all off, like I said, it ain't very far off till Halloween. So, hope everybody has a wonderful Halloween, and a wonderful Thanksgiving, and a wonderful Christmas. Like I said, it's going to take a while, but I'll get the items out and get it ready. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.